malapit na hinog ito. Yan, ang grabe, green, na green, oh. Ay, ang cute-cute. Yan, ayan. Wow, still green, but not yet ripe. Ayan. About maybe 1 month to go or 2 months can be pick and pay. Ayan, ang ganda. Yan. Oh, see? Yan. So beautiful. Yan. Woohoo! Grapes. Ay! Oh, okay. Yan. Yan. Oh, see? Hanggang doon sa dulo. Yan. See? Oh. Grape farm in the Philippines. Ay, grapes. Yes. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Hindi ko na kayang puntahan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.